Limit the maximum file size that can be uploaded on BuddyPress activity feed. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to limit the maximum file size that can be uploaded on BuddyPress activity feed. It will be useful to save your server capacity, so members cannot upload a huge size file. First, you need to install the BuddyPress plugin. His plugin is free. You can find the plugin by the searching bar, then install and activate it. Second, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. Once both plugins are activated, navigate to Youzify panel, General Settings, and Wall Settings. Scroll down to Activity Attachment Settings. And then change the attachment max size by megabytes. For example, I set members only can set a maximum of 1 megabyte. Now I log in with a non-admin account and try to attach a file of more than 1 megabyte size. And here it is, the system does allow me to upload it. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.